Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back to another episode of Stack Your Chips, the channel where we want you to stack chips on the daily, where we get money in the stock market, in the crypto market, playing common stock, options, futures, everything. So thanks for tuning in. If you're not a part of this community, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment. We want to hear from you. What stocks you're looking at, or what plays you see setting up in the market so we can all eat together. Best way. Rising tide raises all ships, as they say. But getting the things in here tonight, got the heat map pulled up for the S&P 500. It's red, right? A lot of red around tech. Financials were green, right? Insurance and healthcare was pretty much green. But like the big boxes, the main players, where all the money's at, was red, right? So a lot of these stocks are heavily weighted in the S&P 500. I think the largest holding for the S&P 500 is Apple. So as you see, Apple's down, S&P's down, right? Tesla's down, S&P's. Nvidia's down, S&P's down, right? So big move on Nvidia, down 8% to 120 after earnings. Earnings posted on Wednesday, and they beat on revenue. They beat on a lot of stuff, but they missed on profitability, the EBITDA. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, which is really important, which shows like cash flow pretty much. So their cash flow wasn't as great as everybody thought it was going to be. And I believe they lowered guidance. So, they actually raised guidance. Excuse me. They raised guidance. Cash flow wasn't the greatest. So they're down. And I know I put in the Discord, Amazon's dropping this quantum chip. So it's like, is NVIDIA chips like a thing of the past now? Is the chip market speeding up so quickly with advancements and new technologies that people don't want to invest in Blackwell as much because the next thing's coming down the pipeline really quickly? I don't know. It's just my thoughts around that. But there goes my dog. Yeah, so heat map for the day. I like to start here, see what happened in the market. Like I said, everything tech, all the big boxes were red, and pretty much a lot of the other stuff was green, except like utilities was really tied to tech. They're dropping a lot of that stuff right now. So data. I typically start here, but I wanted to start with the heat map first. We got some data that the Fed and the market loves to see, the initial jobless claims today. Numbers came in higher than expectations. So on the far right was last month, the middle was expectations, and we're about, let's say, give or take 20,000 above the expectations, right? So durable goods looking strong. Let me let this dog out. My bad, y'all. Now he's gonna have to wait till I finish with this video. So pending home sales, they thought it was gonna be down -1%. It's still down -4, almost 5%. So that was for January last month. Market still looking to rebound, honestly, based off these numbers, this data. But tomorrow we have the big data, the PCE at 8:30 in the morning, which will move the market in either direction. I'm not sure. I don't try to guess. I just wait on the data to drop. The PCE year over year, the core PCE. This is really important when it comes to what the Fed plans on doing for the rest of the year. Will they cut rates again or not? So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that tomorrow and trading. I will do some live trading tomorrow. So tap in with me and we could go from there. Next, we're going to jump right into the S&P 500. This is what I've been talking about for the past couple of videos. We got the levels marked. This is the day chart using TradingView. We're hitting the levels on point. We hit that 590 level, broke through, strong breakthrough today. And here goes my dog. Strong breakthrough today, and we broke down to 85. Seen it coming if we broke that 590, but where do we go next, right? That's what everybody wants to know. I'd say wait on the data, but don't try and guess. Typically the market makers want you to guess, and then they're looking to see where you guess so they can take it the other way, right? So I'm gonna jump over to the 4 hour to kind of get a picture of where we can potentially go. I would like to see this gap fill 583.79, basically 584. So down about another point or two. And then I'm fishing for a gap, right? I really don't see any more gaps open except this gap down here at 535. And this is a gap from August. Yeah, like this gap never filled. So that would be a crazy move if this gap filled from the 580s to the 530, 50 points. But that's like the last gap I see on this chart that's kind of relevant to where we are now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mark that now because who knows? You know, you never know what's to act up. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that now. That would be a crazy move, as I just said, but you never know. So tomorrow, I'm looking for data. If we do get solid data, this 580 mark is like a psych level. So there'll be like a lot of buyers around 580 because it's a whole number. Like you'll always find more buyers around 580, 590, 600, right? Which is a really like psych level number. Like, oh, we hit 600, I need to buy, or we hit 600, I need to sell, type of thing. The numbers in the middle really don't matter as much, but they do matter. But just those whole numbers are like easier for a lot of people. So I'm looking at this 580 level. If we break through 583, right? Try to keep things simple when I trade. I try not to overdo it with a lot of technical analysis because I don't want to confuse myself. Like I just want to keep it simple, something simple and repeatable where I can make 10, 20, 30%. I'm good. I'll sell it and I'll go on about my day. I got a full-time job. I know some of the folks in Discord do as well. So make your money and go have fun. Those chips are gonna stack. $100 a day, $50 a day. Then you'll start making $200 a day, $500 a day. Then you start making 1,000 a day, 2,000. Uh, Find something that's easy, repeatable, simple for you to do, and make your money and go live your life. Nobody wants to sit and stare at a screen all day, which I've done in the past, and it's not fun. But yeah, this is what I got for the S&P. I'm not going to try and give you a thesis for tomorrow because I don't know what the data is going to look like. But we are on a downtrend right now. So be prepared for this downtrend to flip at any point. So don't get caught thinking, hey, I made so much money on puts, it's going to keep being puts. And then they switch you to calls and now you're still trying to buy puts. Like follow the trends on the 4 hour is what I typically do and then go from there. All right. But this is pretty much the only stock I'm going to go over. One of the ones that I'm watching tomorrow. If there's anything else I'm watching, I will be on the live chat calling out my alerts and the stuff I'm getting in and out of. And then we'll go from there. So I'll holler at y'all. Peace.